Welcome back to Crypto Horizon, your go-to channel for all things crypto. Today, I'm going to guide you through the process of signing up for OKX, one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges. Whether you're new to trading or an experienced trader, this guide will help you get started smoothly. Plus, I'll share a special referral code HH368 that you can use to get some great bonuses. Let's dive in. Before we jump into the sign-up process, let's make sure you have everything you need. You'll need an email address, a phone number, and a government-issued ID for KYC verification. Having these ready will make the process a lot smoother. All right, let's move on to the sign-up process. Step 1. Register an account. First, head over to the OKX website. You'll see an option to sign up with your email or phone number. Enter your details, create a strong password, and don't forget to enter the referral code HH368 to unlock your bonuses. OKX will send you a 6-digit code via email or SMS. Enter this code to verify your account. Next, it's time to verify your identity. Step 2. Verify your identity. KYC. KYC, or Know Your Customer, is crucial for security. Log into your OKX account, click on your profile, and select Verification. Upload a clear photo of your ID and a selfie. OKX usually verifies your details pretty quickly. Step 3. Enable security features. To keep your account secure, enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security. You can set it up using Google Authenticator or SMS. It's a simple step, but very important. Step 4. Deposit funds. Now that your account is set up, it's time to deposit some funds. You can deposit either fiat currency or cryptocurrencies. For fiat, go to Assets and choose your payment method: credit card, P2P trading, or even bank transfer. For crypto, go to Assets, select Deposit, and follow the instructions. Once your funds are in, you can start trading and claim your rewards. Using the referral code HH368 during sign-up makes you eligible for various bonuses. Complete tasks like KYC verification, making a deposit, and your first trade to claim these rewards. Let's talk about maximizing your benefits with the OKX referral program. When your friends sign up using your referral code HH368, both of you can earn rewards. For example, if they deposit $50 and trade $100, you both get bonuses. Share your referral code on social media, crypto forums, or with anyone interested in trading. Guide your friends through the sign-up and trading process to ensure they complete all the steps and you both earn the rewards. Now, let's briefly go over how to start trading on OKX. OKX offers various trading options like spot trading, margin trading, and futures trading. If you're new to trading, you might want to start with OKX Convert for quick and easy crypto conversions. To make your first trade, go to the Trade menu and choose Spot. Select the trading pair you want, enter the amount, and choose your order type, market or limit order. It's that simple. Before we wrap up, here are a few security tips. Always use a strong password and change it regularly. Enable 2FA and set up an anti-phishing code to protect your account from phishing attacks. In summary, signing up for OKX with the referral code HH368 is a fantastic way to get started with trading while earning some great bonuses. Register, verify your identity, deposit funds, and start trading to unlock your rewards. Don't forget to share your referral code with friends to maximize your earnings. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Crypto Horizon for more crypto tips and tutorials. Hit that bell icon to get notified whenever we post a new video. Thanks for watching and happy trading with OKX.